In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the action so you can remove a project confidently and without confusion. First, open Claude AI and head to your projects list. You can get there from the left sidebar or by navigating to the main projects page, depending on your layout. This view shows all the projects available to you, so it's the best place to start. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or context if you use more than one, so you're looking at the right collection of projects. Next, find the project you want to delete. Scan the list and confirm it's the exact one you intend to remove by checking the name and any identifying details you recognize. It's worth pausing here for a quick double check, since deleting a project is a significant action and may remove associated content. When you're sure, select or open that project so it becomes the active project you're working with. With the project active, locate the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. You'll typically see these three dots either on the project card itself in the projects list, or at the top of the project view once it's open. The placement can vary slightly, but the icon functions the same way. Click those three dots to open the action menu. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. This option is specifically designed to remove the project and its contents from your list. Before you proceed, make sure this is truly the project you want to remove, as deletion generally can't be undone. If you intended to keep it, simply back out of the menu instead. After selecting Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is your last chance to verify the action. Read the message, then click the confirmation button, typically labeled Yes, Delete. If you change your mind at this point, you can cancel and nothing will be removed. Once you confirm, Claude AI will process the deletion. The project should disappear from your projects list and will no longer be available in the active view. That's all there is to it. Go to your projects list, open the project you want to remove, click the three dots, choose Delete, and confirm in the pop-up. If the option isn't immediately visible, make sure the correct project is active, then try the More Options menu again. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your workspace tidy.